How you can get the Assetto Corsa. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Steam account, and from here you have to log in it. And from here you have to go in the search and simply search for the Assetto Corsa. Now from here, as you can see that here is all of the variants of this. You just have to select anyone from this that you want to buy or you want to play, and after that you have to again scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the to buy the season pass bundle info. So once you get it, you have to go in the add to cart, and after that you have the option is this purchase for yourself or it is as a gift, and you have to select anyone from these, and from here you have to select the payment method. As you can see that here you have the various payment method like the PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and from here you have to select anyone from these and you just have to continue, and you are able to get the Assetto Corsa variant into your PC or the laptop. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.